Hello guys, welcome to PyUPy, and today we'll be seeing that how we can actually use the concept of comments in our Python code. So comments are the statements which we want our interpreter to ignore. So we simply don't want to get those lines of code executed, and that's why we make those lines as the comments. So I'll create a file with the name comments.py. So let's say I have a simple print statement which says execute this. So as of now it will get executed because it's basically a print statement. So let's see this. So we can see the output. So let's say we have another line of code which says do not execute this because it has to be deleted in future. And then we have another line which says execute this as well. So if I now run the program, then all the three lines will get executed. Okay, but we wanted that this line should not get executed. So what I can do is I can actually make this line as comment, and then this line will simply be ignored by the interpreter and it will not get executed. And how do we do that? We can actually use the concept of comments. So comments are basically of two types: single line comments and multi-line comments. So first I'll be explaining you what are single line comments, and then we'll cover up the what are multi-line comments. Okay, so single line comments are used when we need to make just a single line as the comment, and we achieve that thing by the pound symbol or the hash symbol. So what I can do is I can actually use a hash symbol just before the line, and we can see that the color has been changed. So by placing a hash symbol we can actually make it as a comment, and we can see over here that this single line comments and multi-line comments, it is basically it is not a part of code. I've just mentioned it so as to explain you the types. So I would require that it should also get commented. So what I'll do is I'll actually use pound symbol like at the beginning of these lines as well. So this way these lines will get, become the comments. Okay, so now when will I execute this, these three lines will be ignored by the interpreter. Okay, this is how we can actually use comments. And writing comments is a very good practice because it might happen that after maybe several years or several months, when we'll look into the code which was like someday written by us only, then it is like the possibility is there that like we don't understand our own code. So that's why we'll have to use the comments. So comments is a very good practice. So we should use the comments. So this was the way how we can actually use single line comments. And let's say I have to use another line which I don't want to get executed. Let's say another line. So one method is that I can actually use another pound symbol. Okay, so this way this line will also get commented. But we have if we have 1000 line of codes, then like placing a pound symbol like at the beginning of each and every line would be very difficult. Okay, so what we can do is we can actually use multi-line comments over there, and the way how we actually make the multi-line comments are, we can actually use 3 apostrophes just like this. I can actually use any statement in between these apostrophes. Let's say it is a multi-line comment which will not get executed. Enjoy. Okay, so this is the way how we can actually use multi-line comments. Okay, but the actual we can say the actual use of these apostrophes is when we want to write the function documentation. Okay, so I'll be splitting that thing when I'll be covering function topic. So the main advantage of this multi-line comments is there only. So we'll be using the function documentation by the help of these multi-line comments. So that's it about the comments. So thank you so much for joining and have a great day. Bye.